Hello, Jesus Reigns Forever International Ministry, Los Angeles. Congratulations on your opening. Wow! Kaming lahat dito sa Dream Center, Pangasinan ay very excited at ipinag-pray namin yung inyong opening today. We believe truly God is faithful to His Word, that if God is the one who opened the door, no one can close it. I believe it is God who made it. And I believe more souls, more anointing, more revelation from His Word will manifest every Sunday on your service. Mabuhay kayo at huwag kayong panghihinaan ng loob, sapagkat ang sabi ng kanyang salita, and let us not grow weary in doing good, for in due time we shall reap if we faint not. Once again, congratulations JRFIM Los Angeles, and to our Pastora Banji Reyes. Now, buhay! God bless you all. Bye-bye. Nako,